If you're trying to use decentralized apps right now, you already know you need a crypto wallet to interact. But here's the thing, every blockchain network has its own favorite wallet. If you're hanging out on Ethereum, you'll mostly use MetaMask. But if you're diving into the hyper-fast Solana ecosystem to trade tokens or buy NFTs, Phantom Wallet is the absolute gold standard. Today, we're skipping the fluff and setting up Phantom as a browser extension so you can start using Solana dApps in under 2 minutes. Paradapp can redirect to wallet that we need to cover you from scammed link. Phantom Wallet installed. Let's create a new wallet. Make sure to choose the recovery phrase option. This keeps your private keys entirely under your control, ensuring nobody else can ever access them. What I want to say is, to access your wallet, you only need that private key or the recovery phrase. As you can see, this is the recovery phrase, and there will be 12 words. Please save this recovery phrase safely. I recommend saving it physically for a long-term wallet backup and never saving it digitally for daily use. On Phantom Wallet have a unique feature like this one. You can add username, but it can be changed. Let's add my name. Just wait a second for it to process, and boom, done. Your wallet is successfully created and ready to go. You can now jump straight into your favorite Web3 dApps. Let's try connect your wallet to Paradapp. Follow this step. You will see a pop-up like this one to confirm that you give permission to connect your wallet to Paradapp. This wallet connection step is the same as with other wallets if you use another wallet like MetaMask or something else. Now you have a wallet and you already know how to connect it. Next step, you can explore many dApps on Paradapp. You can swap to tokenized US stocks, gain yield from staking USDC, and many more. Paradapp have all-in-one dApps for your financial needed. Just quick information, confused by blockchain terminology? Ask Para AI. It doesn't just answer questions, it takes action, like staking your USDC. Now, you will notice that platforms like Paradapp are exactly what you need to access Web3 in a completely self-custodial way. We all know that Web3 sounds incredibly difficult in theory, but for daily use, it really isn't. Just look at how simple it is to create a wallet or connect to these dApps. As you can see in these clips, it's not scary at all. I invite you to explore more of our platform or join our Discord community. We will be sharing so many things, so don't forget to hit subscribe.